A very good morning to my dear students. Hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English class. In the previous class, we have completed our reading A and reading B of Unit 2. So today, let us read and analyze the reading C, Reaching the Unreached. The title Reaching the Unreached means there is someone who is reaching out to the unreached children. The unreached children are such children who are deprived of their rights to study, the right to spend time with their parents, the right to get love and affection from their parents, the right to play, and all these, some of these examples of rights to children. There are some children who are so unfortunate that they do not have some of these rights in their life, and here is someone who is reaching out these children. Let us see who they are. Firstly, let us see some lifetime examples of children who were deprived of their rights. Firstly, we come with the story of Ramesh. Ramesh was 14 years old. He left his widowed mother and 3 younger sisters back in Bihar. He took up a long travel of hundreds of miles to find a new future. He reached Hyderabad, one of the main cities in India. So what was the name of the child? Ramesh. So how many years old he is? He is of 14 years old. So he left his widowed mother. Meaning of widowed mother, the mother who lost her husband, and his 3 younger sisters back in Bihar. So he left them, his mother and his 3 sisters in Bihar, and he took a long travel of hundreds of miles to find a new future. Finally, he reached Hyderabad, one of the main cities of India. On reaching the city, he found that the streets were not paved with gold. So finally, when he reached to Hyderabad, he found that the streets were not paved, meaning of paved, covered, meaning of paved, covered with gold. He thought that finally he can get a good job in Hyderabad and the pavements and everything will look with gold. But he came to the conclusion that they were not covered with gold. That means he should work hard to earn money. Finding a job was not an easy task. So he found that it is not very easy to get a job. Cursed by hunger, he joined a group of rag pickers. So finally, for cursed by hunger, he is feeling so hungry and he couldn't get any job. So he joined in a group of rag pickers. Meaning of rag pickers, a person who collects waste material in streets. So a person who collects waste material in streets. He started working early in the morning and toiled until late evening only to earn a mere ₹10 a day. Life was not a dream for him. So early morning he used to toil, meaning of toiled, work hard. So he used to work hard until late night and only to earn how many rupees, children? Only ₹10 a day. Finally he realized that life is not a dream for him. Luckily, he got a helping hand from the child line. He got a helping hand from whom, children? The child line. Meaning of helping hand, assistant. Meaning of helping hand, assistance. So the child line gave the assistance to Ramesh that when some rescuer called 1098 helpline. So one rescuer, meaning of rescuer, a person who saved somebody from some difficult situation. So who is in the difficult situation? Ramesh. Ramesh is in difficult situation. So some rescuer called to the child lane. Ramesh is now one of the beneficiaries of Andhra Pradesh state-based project from the elimination of child labor. So he is one of the beneficiaries. Meaning of beneficiaries, a person who gains as a result of something. A person who gains as a result of something. So he gained some results by the beneficiaries. Who is the beneficiaries? The child line. Who is the beneficiary here? Ramesh is the beneficiary. So he got the help from the child line of Andhra Pradesh state based project for the elimination. Meaning of elimination, the act of removing something. So he removed him from the work of child labor work. They removed him from the rat pickers of child labor. Many such children fall to similar fate due to domestic violence and abject poverty. So many of the children fall into the same similar fate due to domestic violence and abject. Meaning of abject, terrible and without hope. So they are very terrible and without hope. They are going on lacking of poverty. One such example was Shanti, a 9-year-old kid. So what was the name of the kid? Shanti. So she is 9-year-old kid. She was taken out from the school by her parents. So the parents took away from her the school and sent to Hyderabad to work in a middle class home. So you can see the girl in the picture there. So she is 9 years old girl Shanti. So their parents left them from school and they sent her to Hyderabad to work in a middle class home. She suffered all day long, spending her energy on cooking, mopping, cleaning and washing clothes. So daily she used to do her work. She suffered a long spending her energy only on cooking, mopping. Meaning of mopping, removing waste liquid with a waste cloth. Removing waste liquid with a waste cloth. She used to do cooking, mopping, cleaning and washing clothes. Worse was to come. So worst, it is very worst to come. That was, the owners locked her up in a tiny room when they went out. So what did the owners used to do? They used to lock her. You can see the lock in the picture also. They used to lock her in the room and they used to go away. She stayed alone waiting for the days to pass. So continuously she used to day by day she used to wait them to pass. She recalled her memories with her friends at school and she wept. So she used to recall all her memories with her friends at school and she wept. So she started going on crying there. You can see in the picture how she is crying and how she is locked in the room. As a result of awareness campaigns, the neighbors informed the child labor enforcement team. She was rescued and now is placed in a girls' transit home. So as a direct result of awareness, meaning of awareness, knowing something. Meaning of campaigns, a series of planned activities for achieving a social aim. Campaigns for achieving a social aim that they in the neighbors informed to the child labor enforce team campaign members. So the neighbors informed the child labor enforcement team of campaigns that she is locked in a room. So she was rescued and now she is placed in a girls' transit home. So soon who came there? The child labor enforcement team approached her and they placed in a girls' transit room. Who knows how many such unreached are waiting to be rescued? Isn't it? Who knows? Still so many children are there for waiting to be rescued, waiting for the help. Child Rights and You, CRY. What is the full form of CRY, children? Child Rights and You is an organization that believes that children are citizens and they have their own rights. So, CRY organization, Child's Rights and You organization believes that children are the citizens. Children are the citizens and they have their own rights. At CRY, they do not believe in charity, nor do they run schools or orphanages. Instead, they partner some basic level organization working for children, their parents and communities. So what does this CRY organization do? They do not run the schools or orphanages. Instead, they tell some of the basic level organizations working for children and their parents. They conduct the campaigns for the children and the parents and the communities. CRY's role is that of a bridge between children development organizations and people working for marginalized children. It is a bridge between the CRY organization, it is a bridge between the child development organizations and people working for marginalized, meaning of marginalized and important children. So this is a CRY plays a main role between the Bridge Child Development Organization for the development of the children. You have few organization. It takes a bridge between this and the people working at unimportant children, those who are not taking care of their children. It plays a main role. They gathered the support, money and time of the Indians around the world and thousands of field workers across India who struggle to enrich the lives of children. So they gather all the amount from the Indians and all this through the field workers also. They go near the field workers and conduct the campaigns and make them to know the lives of children. CRY has freed more than 1 lakh children from hunger, exploitation and illiteracy in more than 13,000 villages and slums. So CRY has more than freed, it made more than 1 lakh children from hunger, exploitation, meaning of exploitation, unfair treatment and illiteracy in more than 13,000 villages and slums. So totally 13,000 villages and slum areas, they gather totally 1 lakh children, those who are suffering from hunger, exploitation and illiteracy. The organization has successfully prevented children labor in 648 villages across the nation and liberated 1,152 villages from child marriages. So this organization has successfully prevented, meaning of prevented, stopped child labor in 648 villages. It stopped the child labor and across the nation and liberated, meaning of liberated, set free from 1,100 villages from child marriages. It also has 21,676 out of school children in its account who have now joined school. So totally 21,676 people, those who are working out, they were now they joined in the schools. These children are not into their childhood with all due opportunities of life. So because all these children have lot of opportunities, they doesn't have the opportunities, so where they were going to work. But right now these people are going to their study. So here is another organization named Save Our Soul. SOS, meaning full form of SOS, Save Our Soul. SOS Children's Villages is an independent, non-governmental social development organization that provides family-based care for children in India. So what is SOS here? It is and children villages, it is an independent, it depends, it doesn't depend upon anyone or it doesn't depend upon the government or social development organization. It is an independent form. It is only to take care for children in India. It advocates the concerns, rights and needs of children. So it advocates, meaning of advocates, supports something publicly. It supports the children, those who are not able to study and those who are not able to take care of their parents. These SOS take care of their children. More than 6,000 children and young people live in 33 SOS children's villages and 27 SOS youth facilities in India. So more than how many children are there in the organization? 6,000 children in how many branches? 33 SOS children's villages in 33 villages and 27 SOS youth facilities in India. At SOS villages, the organizers believe that every child should grow up in a strong family environment. So SOS children's villages only believe that the organizers believe that each and every child should grow up in a strong family environment. So each and every child should have a strong family. And so their work helps families to create a loving, caring home. So by that way, the children can know what is meant by the loving of parents, caring of parents at home. Their work focuses on strengthening families, helping them to stay together during difficult times and provide the best care possible to their children. So by the loving parents, taking care of the parents, if the family is there, automatically the children knows how to take care of the parents, how to know the love and affection from them. So this makes them to take care of their children. The needs of a family can be varied. SOS Children's Village experts work with families to help them develop a wide range of skills, from household budget planning, how to get a job and earn a living, to bonding with a child or young person and learning to create a stable family life at home. So by this way, with the help of the family, if a child has a strong family environment, automatically the child knows if the family has to create a loving, caring home. Automatically the child knows how to love the parents, how to take care of their parents, how to be caring of everybody, and how to have a budget planning, and how to get a job and earn a living. This makes whether a child or a young person, if automatically if a child or a young child has a family, automatically they know how to earn a living first of all and create a stable life, family life at home. Sometimes, however, it is not possible for a child to stay in the family. Isn't it? Sometimes, however, it is unable for a child to stay with his family. In these cases, the organization works to find tailor-made solutions that respond to each situation, keeping the best interest of each child or young person in mind. You can see the people there without the parents and love and affection of the parents. So this time, this organization responds to each situation for each child or young person in mind. SOS Children's Village is the only organization of global impact that provides direct care to children who can make longer stay with their family. So this SOS Children Villages creates a global impact that makes to direct care of the children. It takes that the children should not think about their parents and longer stay. They made a complete environment that they stay with their family. Finally, through advocacy, SOS Children's Villages aim to improve the overall framework conditions for children whose parents cannot take care of them and who are in the risk of losing the care of their family. So finally, through advocacy, meaning of advocacy, people's support, to take from the people's support. SOS Children Villages aim is to improve the framework, is to improve the conditions for children who are not taking, the parents who are not taking care of the children. It takes the public support and gives them campaigns that to know the life of the children is very beautiful. Successful advocacy based on their expectation as a practitioner brings about changes in policies and practice that weaken children have rights, lead to sustainable changes to improve the situation for children and families everywhere. By conducting the campaigns and motivating the public there, the parents, those who doesn't take care of the children, they contain the campaigns and they go on give them the clarity that how the life of the children is very important. They make them stronger and make the situation of the children, how the importance of the children is important in their family and everywhere. Let us go through the glossary of the given lesson, reaching the unreached. Meaning of widowed mother, the mother who lost her husband. Meaning of paved, covered with. Meaning of rag picker, a person who collects waste material in streets. Meaning of toiled, work hard. Meaning of helping hand, assistance. Meaning of rescuer, a person who saved somebody from some difficult situation. Meaning of beneficiary, a person who gains as a result of something. Meaning of elimination, the act of removing something. Meaning of abject, terrible and without hope. Meaning of mopping, removing waste liquid with a waste cloth. Meaning of awareness, knowing something. Meaning of campaign, a series of planned activities for achieving a social aim. Meaning of marginalized, unimportant. Meaning of exploitation, unfair treatment. Meaning of prevented, stopped. Meaning of liberated, set free. Meaning of advocate, support something publicly. Meaning of advocacy, public support. Coming to the question and answers. First question. Complete the following table based on the above article. First one. Serial number, name of the child, age, name of work for which engaged? So first of all, in the article, we have known about the two child labors. What is the first name of the child? Romesh. So what was the age of the child there? 14. So what he used to do work, for what work he was engaged there? Rag picking. So meaning of rag picking, he used to pick the papers from the streets. Second one, what was the name of the child? Shanti. What was the age of her? 9. So what work she used to do? Household chores. Meaning of chores, what is the household chores? That means she used to clean, she used to mopping, she used to clean, cutting, she used to do the whole household, everything works. Second question, who rescued the two children? Where did they take them to? So the two children are rescued by whom children? Romesh was rescued by the organization The Child Line, isn't it? And he was taken to Andhra Pradesh state-based project for the elimination of child labor. So he is removed from the child labor. And coming to the second child, Shanti was rescued by the child labor enforcement team. Romesh was rescued by the child line and Shanti was rescued by the child labor enforcement team. She was taken to a girls' transit home. So both were rescued by the various organizations. Coming to the third question. Many households in your neighborhood employ children to do the mental jobs. What will you do to save those children? So what will you do, children, if you see any of these kind of two children, Romesh and Shanti, if you see these kind of children staying by your neighborhood, so what is your opinion? I will inform the Child Line or the Child Labor Enforcement Team or Child Rights and You Organization or SOS organization about the children who are employed in households as child labor with the help of my friends. I also complain about it in the police station. Really, children, do you go and complain it in the police station? Yes, you have a right to go and complain in the police station that if the children are employed in households or as child labor. Fourth question. What is the role of CRY? CRY, CRY. What is the role of CRY? Child Rights and You. What is the full form of CRY? Child Rights and You is an organization which believes that children are citizens and they have their rights. Isn't it? This organization believes that children have their own rights. This organization gathers support and money from Indians around the world and help the struggled children. So this organization, they take the support of the people and they gather the money from Indians and they help the people, those who are struggling. It freed many children from hunger, prevented child marriages and joined many children in schools. So what is CRY organization, Child Rights and You organization doing there? It freed children from hunger. It prevented child marriages. It stopped child marriages and joined many children in schools. Fifth question. To whom can a child report about abuse? So to whom can a child can report and about abuse if anybody scolds them? So to whom can the child go and report? A child can report about abuse to his or her parents, teachers or elders. Besides, the report should be filled with the police. He or she can take help from Child Rescue Organization. They can also contact the Child Line 1098. In the same way, they can report against any kind of abuses. So they can call, first of all, they have to tell to the parents, teachers or elders. Second question. How does SOS work? SOS is an organization that provides family-based care for children in India. So this SOS organization, it provides completely a family-based care. It takes care as a family. So it completely take care as a family children in India. It believes that every child should grow up in a strong family. So this SOS organization believes that each and every children should be grown in a strong family environment. It is the only organization of global impact that provides direct care to the children who can no longer stay with their families. So the children who cannot stay with their families can this organization take care. It aims to improve the overall framework conditions for children whose parents cannot take care of them. So it only take cares, it completely, overall it does the work of the children who cannot take care. The parents, those parents who cannot take care of the children, it does the overall framework and takes care of the children. Coming to the home assignment, children, read the lesson Reaching the Unreached and choose the correct answers for the following questions. Now let us discuss some few questions. First question, the organization Child Rights and You, CRY, considers the children are. So what does the organization Child Rights and You considers the children? The children should be the bonded labor, are having their own duties, victims of the society, or children with their own rights. What does the organization Child Rights and You considers? Yes, it considers that the children are citizens with their own rights. Second question, the role of CRY is to. What is the role of CRY, children? Options, run orphanages, fight for the rights of children, act as a bridge between voluntary organizations and marginalized children, arrange food, shelter and clothing to marginalized children. In the lesson itself, you have what is the role of the CRY. Only the role of the CRY organization is to act as a bridge between voluntary organization and marginalized children. So option C is the correct answer. Question, CRY has freed the children from. So what did the organization CRY do for the children? Option A, exploitation, hunger. Option B, hunger, illiteracy. Option C, illiteracy, exploitation. Option D, illiteracy, exploitation and hunger. So what did it do, children? The option, what did first of all the CRY organization do for the children? Hunger. B is the answer, hunger and illiteracy. It made the children freed from hunger and illiteracy. Coming to the fourth question, why should the child labor be grateful to the organization CRY? Why should the child labor be very grateful and happy for the organization CRY? Because option A, what are the given options? It provided them with work to do. Option B, it gave due opportunities in life. Option C, it made them free from hard work. Option D, it started new schools for them. So what is the correct answer? Why should the child labor be grateful to the organizations? Because it made them free from hard work. Because all these children are the child laborers. First of all, the organization CRY made them free from hard work. Question, Save Our Soul, SOS provides. What is the full form of SOS, children? Save Our Life. What does it provide, say? Option A, community based care. Option B, family based care. Option C, organizational based care. And option D, institutional based care. So what is the correct answer? What is SOS provides? Yes, it provides children a family based care. Children, complete the given glossary, classwork and home assignment and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.